Dave with Mile High Campers coming back at you again with another video. In this video, I will be showing you a comparison of 3 different tire sizes and 2 different wheel sizes for my f250 after installing a Superlift 2.5-inch lift kit. If you want to see step-by-step how I installed the lift kit, please check out the link in the description below to the installation video or the link to my f250 mods and repair playlist. And be sure to check out the link to our website as well. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you out. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, let's take a look at the different tire and wheel sizes. First up is the factory wheel with a 245/75 17-inch tire, and this is a total diameter of 30.5 inches. Here's a comparison of what the truck looked like before and after the lift with the factory wheels and tires. Before the lift, it had a distance of 10.25 inches between the tire and the bottom of the fender. It had a distance of 13.75 inch from the bottom of the running board to the ground. After the lift, it had a distance of 12.5 inches between the tire and the bottom of the fender, and a distance of 16.5 inches from the bottom of the running board to the ground. For the rear, before the lift, it was 12.5 inches between the tire and the bottom of the fender, and a distance of 22 inches from the bottom of the bed to the ground. After the lift, it was 14.75 inches between the tire and the bottom of the fender, and a distance of 24.25 inches between the bottom of the bed to the ground. Next, let's take a look at these Fuel Assault custom wheels, part number D54620901757. They are a 20-inch by 9-inch wheel with a 20mm offset. I chose these wheels because I was trying to get a wheel close to the size of the factory 20-inch wheel for the f250. Because I didn't want to have to worry about the tire rubbing the fender, I chose to go with these Cooper Discoverer AT3 XLT tires in a 265 by 60/20. This wheel and tire combo will give you a 32.5-inch overall diameter. With the lift, this wheel and tire combo did not even come close to rubbing. Side note, honestly, I was not very impressed with these tires as they only lasted a little over a year before they were bald. Here's a look at the truck before the lift and after the lift with the new tire and wheel combination. Here's a look at the truck post-lift before the new wheels and tires and after the lift with the new wheels and tires. Now we have a distance from the ground to the bottom of the running board of 17.25 inches compared to the 13.75 inch before the lift. On the rear, the distance between the ground and the bottom of the fender is 25 inches compared to the 22 inches before the lift. Next is a comparison with a set of Nitto ridge grapplers sized at 35 by 12.5 R20. This wheel and tire combo has an overall radius of 33.5 inches. This combo has enough clearance with the lift that it does not rub on the fender. Here is a view of the gap between the tire and the fender, and here is a view of how much this wheel and tire combo sticks out past the fender. The distance from the ground to the bottom of the running board with this combo is 18 inches compared to the 13.75 inches before the lift, giving a grand total of a 4.25 inch lift for the front. On the rear, the distance between the ground and the bottom of the fender is 25.75 inches compared to the 22 inches before the lift, giving us a grand total of a 3.75 inch lift for the rear. Here's a look at the truck before the lift and after the lift with the Nitto ridge grapplers. Here is a look at the truck with the 2 different 20-inch tire sizes. Again, be sure to check out all the information and the links in the description below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Be sure to smash that like button, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.